The recent narrative has been a tough headwind for gold. As bonds continued their sell-off from the first 2 weeks of August, expectations of higher rates needed for longer to deal with stickier inflation has been the driver. With US core inflation still twice the Fed's target, investors are pondering the prospects of rates remaining restrictive for some time. Now, that narrative is the main cause of what's been driving gold lower. However, gold has now potentially found some major support around this $1,900 an ounce region. You can see it's around the 200 exponential moving average and major daily support around 1900, and the swing point coming in from the start of July and end of June. So furthermore, if the US economy starts to show accelerating signs of slowing down, we could see the bid come back into bonds, and that could once again assist gold higher, especially if the market starts to sense the prospect of a Fed cut coming next year. Now, it's just worth noting those strong technicals, and seasonally, there is also something else to note, that this is a strong period for gold. Between the 16th of August and the 2nd of September, gold has risen 73% of the time for an average return of 1.27%. So will gold find buyers from this key technical support and the strong seasonal pattern? Major trade risks. All outlooks have risks, and of course this is no exception. And there are significant risks with this outlook. The main risk to be aware of is a continuation of the higher rates for longer narrative from the US, a further rise in yields, and the dollar will be a headwind for gold that can easily send gold prices lower from here. Remember that HYCM clients can access the SeasonX product in order to analyze over 25,000 different currencies, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. And all you need to do is contact your account manager for a free trial, and you can get started right away. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients, depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.